Hello and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 5, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. So let's get started. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. First, wake up the screen by pressing any of the buttons. Then press the crown button to open the menu. Scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the system option, and tap on it. Here, find the option called disconnect and reset. And once you find it, of course, tap on it. And as you can see, we have a warning that all media and settings will be cleared from the watch, including your local music, installed watch faces, history and stuff like that. And then we can tap on factory reset to confirm. So if you don't want to lose your data, don't reset your watch. If you don't care, you can tap on factory reset, tap on the check mark to confirm. And let's wait. Now let's wait until the process is complete. Okay, and once you see this let's go message on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. So, if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.